Where's he gonna go? His bumper's peeling off. His bumper's coming out.
Oh, the police officer not gonna stop that?
Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. I'm not going near that thing.
Why would you go so close to that?
That bumper's coming out. That bumper's coming out.
I don't want to get close to him.
Yeah, that thing's gonna fly out. Just watch. Yeah, it's about to.
That guy's really close.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's leaving, okay.
Yep, he's going to the left now. He needs to stop because he's gonna lose his bumper pretty soon.
Just speed up.
But he's running at a fast speed.
He's running faster than we are.
I think it's really apart. It's almost out.
Oh, it's loud.
Yeah, so we sort of get the update, the big picture in terms of like where, you know, maybe something isn't officially signed yet, but you know, we've come to some sort of agreements. We're still working out the details into how we get there, but like in principle, they have a framework of like the issues that they've been settling. So I understand this is not going to be finalized until, you know, at 12 or shortly thereafter. Really? We gotta go to the finish line? Gotta go to the finish line. Same thing as local 2. You went to past the finish line, so I suspect we'll be going past the finish line here as well.
Okay, if a strike is declared, apparently they will, at the very least, run until end of day.
Yeah, until 2 a.m. So the strike would begin officially at 12 a.m. But again, as like a spirit of the sense of the collaboration around the table, both the union and management has come to an agreement.
Let me pull up. Oh, thank you.
We'll continue until 2 a.m. to make sure people are able to get to where they're going safely. And if you remember, back in 2008, that
Opa. Wollen wir wetten, dass der Typ gleich die Spur nach links wechselt? Und ich wette noch mehr, dass ich ihn nicht reinlasse. Erst was tun!
reparations in 2025. The same will teach black people to think